day. Showers and thunder showers likely. High 79. Winds east-southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Rainfall near a half an inch. For tonight, windy with rain showers likely. Low 67. Winds east-southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Rainfall around a half an inch. On Sunday, showers early with scattered thunderstorms developing later in the day. High 83. Chance of rain 60%. Our week ahead. Traffic flow for our area.